Hello, everybody. Star Wolf here, and I'm in Kerbal Space Program. I just wanted to do a quick video demonstrating how to build a asparagus staged craft, because that's one of the most efficient ways to get to, don't care about you, to get to space. The idea here is that at all times, instead of staging tier to tier, this thing will stage radially, resulting in a craft that continually gets lighter with less thrust as it goes. And you'll see what I mean as I get this closer to completion. I hate these build things, especially when they can attach sideways. It's hard to get them to link up. Alright, so we'll need first we'll need some detachers. This should be the radial decoupler. And I'm going to put 6 of them. Hooray! Now I want some rocket pods. We need to make these a bit on the stable side, so I'm going to attach some strut supports. And that one's got, you know what, I really probably shouldn't, oh, whatever, hang on, I'm going to put these, I'll use these, but I also need, I'm going to use them because they don't have thrust vectoring, those ones, which means they can't steer the craft. So I need, I don't need it on the side. Stop doing that! The continual annoyance of this game is the fact that it's very difficult to get things to attach exactly the way you want to in the builder. Alright, I need these things and the rocket engines to detach at the same time. And then I need... This is the part where it gets interesting. These not sits, I need... There, one. These rockets will feed fuel directly into those. These will feed fuel directly into these. And these will feed fuel directly into the main one. Meanwhile, this will feed fuel here. This will feed fuel here. And this will feed fuel here. This way, in essence, all 7 rocket pods will drain fuel solely from these 2 opposite ones. Then they'll be able to detach and go into these, then these. So how do I do the detaching? Well, this is the next annoying part. I need to... Is there any way to get rid of this entirely? I need this one and its opposite to be the first stagers. This one and its opposite to be next. I guess I don't need these stages. Alright. So, this should be functional. I'm just going to do one more thing called... It should be in utility, shouldn't it? There it is. Called getting a battery. Or, more accurately, getting... There. That will be of some assistance in stability, in powering the stability drive bots. Alright, let's see how this works. Alright, so here we are. We'll turn on SAS so it can stabilize itself. Turn the fuel up and go. As you'll see here, 2 of them drain far faster than the others. The others see these fuel canisters as part of their own supply, which is why this happens. So all of them see this as part of their fuel supply. Shortly, these are going to run out, and these rockets will turn off, and then I can drop them. Ooh, no stability. Oops, nope, no, that did not work. Well, since this thing's going to crash now, I think it would be about time to revert to assembly and correct an issue or two. I think the easiest way to correct these issues is, not you, to simply get the swivel and put it down here so that now this whole setup has a bit more control over itself. Sass, pot up, burn. Alright, so we've got some go in us now. And decouple. I wonder what that noise is. Okay, we're up above a certain point, so I'm going to start... No, I did not want that to happen. I was trying to steer you, not flip you. Okay, let's try this once more. How am I going to correct this particular issue? Alright, let's look at the center of mass, center of thrust. There's no lift, of course. You can go away for now. You will go down here, and then you will attach here, and then I'm going to try this again. Wow, I'm failing pretty hard at building a rocket, aren't I? Alright. Sass and go. Now it has some avionics. Maybe it'll fly a bit better this time. There goes those ones. Let's try to tilt it and keep it hopefully a little bit more stable as I slowly tilt towards accelerating laterally instead of vertically. There goes those two just went. Now we're down to these two, and as you notice, every time I stage, the fuel load resets to full because, well, it's that rocket is then full because it hasn't been draining at all. Okay, how's this doing? Apiopsis is pretty high, so I'm going to just kill those and let it float for now. Okay, rockets are off. We should now just be flying through the air with the greatest of burning. But with the fuel feeds, these two are draining. This one is not. So as far as it's concerned, it still has full fuel, which is why it sees more fuel than the other two. Okay, come on. Let's... Where's my altitude? It's 5. Let me accelerate. 7.2. That's a decelerate. Accelerate a bit more. Get to the near the apoapsis, and we're going to throttle back up. Because that's going to grow the orbit. Lost those engines, so they can go now. Okay, where's the periapsis? It should be coming up now. Periapsis 50, 50, 60, and 70. Okay. And we are now in orbit. 70 is outside of the atmosphere, as is this. And we have the little rocket. Wee little rocket spinning around and around with the greatest of ease. And that is how you build an asparagus staged rocket. Each part just peels off and leading to a very efficient launch. though it does involve using a whole lot of rocket boosters at the same time, which makes the craft itself a little expensive, even though its fuel usage is pretty efficient. Well, that's the end of this video. Remember to rate the video, share the video, and subscribe if you want to see videos similar to this one. Goodbye.